Well, just blew up my rear tire. Don't know what the hell happened. Look at that. Almost lost it on the highway.
Alright, so I was riding on the highway and I felt the rear end just slip out from under me. And the tire's flat, just whipped, completely flat. I'm trying to pump it up now and see if I can find a leak. The little pump is actually pumping it up. Look at that thing right there. It's huge. Cut my tire right open. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to plug this up to get home. That's a big one, man. Oh. Piece of a razor blade. You believe that shit? Oh my God, I'm gonna see if I can patch it up. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Lord Jesus, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to do 2 plugs on this. Wow, that's bad. Hour out from home and this had to happen. Oh well. I'm gonna throw another one in there. Come on, stay in there, will you? I know it doesn't look pretty. I had to put 2 plugs in there. The hole's pretty big. I did the spin test. It ain't leaking, and it should get me home. All right, I'm confident. Tire's holding. I've been here like 15 minutes. Tire's holding air pressure, so the plan of attack to be safe is to get off the highway and use secondary roads and stuff, so I'm not going that fast. And hopefully I make it home. Wish me luck, man. That's a big hole. All right, so as you can tell, I'm in the garage, made it home. Those 2 plugs in the tire actually worked out pretty well. Still wasn't confident with it, so I stayed below, like 5 miles below the speed limit, and I took secondary roads, so it took a little bit more time to get home, but at least I got home safe. I was an hour out when that happened. Can't believe a razor blade split it right open like that. All of a sudden, I felt the rear end just flopping all over the place. I knew right away something was wrong. And my first instinct was probably I blew my tire off the rim. I mean, this is shit that goes through your head when you're in some kind of an emergency like that, especially on a bike, you know. You lose one tire, you're pretty much out of luck. Thank God it didn't happen on a curve or at highway speeds. I wouldn't be talking to you right now. But anyway, made it home safe. God and my angels watched over me. Another good ride in the books, man, in my books, my history books. I did 1,283 miles on this trip. If you include the DC trip, I'm over 2,500 miles in 2 weeks. That's a lot of miles in 2 weeks, man. I could have went to California. A couple of years I'm planning on a trip, but that's going to be a whole couple of years down the road. So, hey, you all, thanks for following along. And I hope the videos, the series was entertaining and you guys enjoyed it. I mean, if you like Mother Nature, if you like our natural resources, the forests and stuff like that, then you'll probably enjoy most of my videos because that's what I'm into too. Now it's time for me to get in the house, take a nice break, and then start doing video editing, I guess. All right, you all. God bless. Keep the rubber on the road. Bye-bye.